Break free from restrictive website templates and unlock the potential to design a website that's entirely your own with Adobe Dreamweaver. Begin by opening Adobe Dreamweaver and clicking New to start a fresh project. Select HTML as the document type, and then hit Create. This is where we initialize the essential foundation for your website. Let's familiarize yourselves with the Dreamweaver interface. There's a code view, where you'll type the HTML code, and a live view that presents your website's visual appearance. We will actively toggle between these two. Now, let's establish the base code for an HTML document. This fundamental structure consists of the HTML, head, and body tags. The head section contains things like the website's title, and the body is where your content, like text, goes. Inject content into your website by adding text inside the body tags. Experiment by switching your view back and forth between co and live to preview it. Then, go to the File tab and click Save. With the web page saved, your website is officially live. Now we can make it responsive. Start by implementing a meta tag within the head of your HTML file. This configuration allows the browsers to skillfully scale your site across a variety of devices, from large computers to mobile phones. Finally, test it across other devices and you are finished.